Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to invest in cryptocurrencies using Bright. Are you thinking of diving into digital assets? Well, Bright makes it easy to get started with crypto investments right from your app. And here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Bright app and tapping on the invest section from the main dashboard. Inside the investment area, you want to look for a category or tab that's labeled crypto or cryptocurrency. Tap to enter the crypto investing interface. You're going to see a list of available cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. So just select the crypto asset that you want to invest in from the list. Tap the buy or invest button, enter the amount that you'd like to invest. Bright will show the current price as well as any transaction fees before confirming. Choose the funding source. This could be your Bright balance or linked bank account. Review the transaction details, including how much cryptocurrency you'll receive based on the real-time exchange rate. Confirm your investment by tapping Buy Now. You might be asked to verify your identity or to enter your two-factor authentication code. Once processed, your cryptocurrency will appear in your Bright portfolio and you can track its performance anytime. Crypto markets can be volatile, so only invest when you're comfortable and if you have all the right information. If this guide helped you step confidently into crypto, give it a like, share it with someone curious about crypto, and subscribe to our channel for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.